So firstly, fishing line. So we're down at the bottom of the pyramid at the moment. We're thinking about building authority. We're thinking about becoming known as a visible expert out there where you're known for something. And the key question that then brings up is, if I'm going to be visible, who do I need to be visible to? And when we think about building that network of people who know who you are, the very first question you have to ask yourself is, who do you want to help? Who is your client? And if you can't articulate that clearly enough that they can recognize themselves, then you've got work to do on how you're articulating that.